All right. So continuing from our previous lesson, remember that when we are talking about the real world economy, we are dealing a lot. When we're talking about economics in the real world, right? We are economics of a country, for instance. We obviously have data, but there's a lot of there is a lot of deciding on the fiscal policies, the financial policies, the economic policy of that particular country based on the expertise of people, one, and two, based on heuristics. Three, there is also a lot of let's try this, let's try that, and there is that bit of, I would say, guesswork, if that's the right word to use, when you're working on real world economy. Obviously, there is data, but the data is not how you have in a blockchain or a web-based ecosystem. So when you're talking about a blockchain or a web-based ecosystem, that data is available. So you have data for all the transactions. It's transparent, it's decentralized, it's visible to everyone in the ecosystem. That data can be extracted at different points in time, and that data can be analyzed. Now, based on that data, what really you can do, right? So when you build your crypto economic policy, your tokenomics, you alter your protocol, you alter different things around your blockchain or Web3 economy. You basically have all this real-time data, which is real data. And this data is true data. This data is not based on heuristics, or this data is nothing like a guesswork. This is real data that you have of a Web3 or a blockchain-based ecosystems. No wonder why there is a lot of discussion around central bank digital currencies and everything else, but that's a topic for a later day. But you have all this data, and using all this data, you can take more informed and correct decisions. You can create solid policies. You can create things that really work. And you can model all this data using different tools. Again, we'll talk about this as this course progresses. But using those modeling tools, you basically can see what the outcome of changing a policy would be, what the outcome of changing a mathematical function would be. So when you're designing a tokenomics of a Web3 or a blockchain-based economy, you are looking at real data, your policy is well informed, and you're taking the right decisions.